Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Yesterday I picked up my Ford 9-inch rear from my friend who narrowed this about 4 centimeters per side, and I must say he did outstanding job. And if you're wondering why this looks wet, it's because I'm using phosphoric acid in there, so I have so many welds in here. I couldn't get grinder in there, so I'm using acid to clean those weld seams. And tomorrow, when this all is dried out, I'm gonna shoot epoxy, and after that gloss black paint. I have already painted the frame and also the bottom of the car, which I showed you guys earlier. And that's it for today. I just have to wait that this will dry. Bye bye.